Hi guys, how you all doing today? I made, from the new Gmod update, Birdwatcher. I made this out of Super Sculpey firm clay. There's no metal wire in it, it's just hard rock. Yeah. If you look closely, put the 4 eyes, here's the back, here's the front, put all the tentacles, a little bit strands here and there. And that's pretty much it. So, from the size of my hand, let me just answer real quick. It's pretty small. This is the size of my hand compared to it's about the size of my hand. It's not really that big, but I'm still happy with it. As you can see from my hands, I painted a lot. Oh, and also, that right there, it's not any blood or anything. It's just a red marker. Marker. But anyways, this is my Birdwatcher model from Gmod. So yeah, bye guys.